Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're signed in and using the correct Outlook client. Once signed in, save any open drafts so nothing is lost while you change preferences. Now open the Settings area on desktop, go to File then Options. On web or mobile, tap the Settings gear. This first step locates the appearance controls. You're doing this now to ensure the dark mode setting applies to the right account and device, which avoids surprises later. Once you're in Appearance Settings, enable dark mode where offered. On desktop, under General, look for Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office and choose black or dark gray. This changes ribbon and reading panes. On Outlook Web, select View all Outlook settings, then General, then Appearance, and pick Dark. On mobile, open Settings, find Theme or Display, and toggle Dark on. Make sure to apply or save changes. If you have multiple devices, repeat so your experience stays consistent across platforms. To finalize, restart the Outlook app or refresh your browser to ensure dark mode takes effect. Make sure your system theme isn't overriding app settings. Some clients follow Windows or Mac appearance, so change system theme if needed. If the interface still shows light elements, toggle the theme off and on, or check for an available Outlook update and install it. If problems persist, reset the theme to default and reapply dark mode. This usually clears cache styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.